Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we learn about Bill KOT. So here you'll find the option Bill KOT. Click on this and here you will find KOT details, KOT number, date and all other details. Now to create KOT or to generate bill, you have to click on generate bill. Okay, now here you can see the item and now you have to choose the mode of payment. Let's say we are choosing cash. Click on checkout. Fill in the customer details. Once done, click on, scroll down and click on generate bill. So okay, once you click on generate bill, see, order successfully placed. See, this is the bill. This has been just generated. Now you can of course print this if you have the printer attached. If not, you can simply save this to your desktop. So yeah, that is how you create bills or generate bills. Let's say we click on print. It will take you to your desktop and here you can save it. You can save the bill and this will be saved. Okay, so that is all about KOT, Bill KOT. Hope this helps you. Thank you.